Hey guys, Sean Bougie, surplusfundsriches.net, and the point of this video is to show you guys the difference between the National Surplus DIY program, National Surplus Partnership version, and the full version. And basically, the full has both the National Surplus Do-It-Yourself version and the partnership version. The reason that a lot of people go with the full version is because they realize, hey, I'm going to try to do this on my own, use that section of that bundle. And if I can't find that phone number, I will give that particular file, I'll turn that in as a partnership deal and let that be their problem. So with the DIY version, that's taking you through three different methods, three different methods to put deals together. One is the assignment method, one is the finder method, which is state regulated, and the other one is it'll also give you the structured buyout agreement that we use, and we always use attorneys with that method. A lot of people get that have already been in the business, and they want that extra technique, if you will. The partnership version, a lot of people start with this first or the full version. And the reason is this just teaches you how to be a partner with us. We give you 27% of our net. I know a lot of you guys are numbers guys out there, so that's going to work out to 8 to 9% of the gross. In other words, 8 to 9% of whatever the total surplus funds is. With that program, your job is to get a list, research the debt, make sure there wasn't additional debt against the property prior to the sale, because if there was, that is a priority claim to the surplus. Fill out a worksheet with that information, provide a couple supporting documents like the last deed, turn that into us. We do the rest. We find them, call them, put the deal together, hire the mobile notary and the attorney, and we'll give you 27% of our net when we successfully get it out of the court. That's a really good deal for a lot of folks. And a lot of people get the full version because they like having the do-it-yourself version and the partnership version. So again, they can make the tough stuff where they can't find people our problem. There's also bundles in here. PowerPlay bundle has the National Surplus full version. Also, the Premier 16 version, where you do a call and get more money for that. Deed Flip 30 and National Deed Flip are also in there. Best of the Best bundle has, good Lord, a number of programs in it. All of these, whenever you go up on dollar amount, the higher you go up in dollar amount on a bundle, the cheaper it is for you on a per course basis. In addition, though, you can pick one of these programs up here, and typically we'll also have add-on programs below where you could, for instance, I just want the DIY version of National Surplus, but maybe you also want the deed flip program. So you can actually choose that and then also go down to an add-ons and add something on. Hope this has helped you guys understand the differences in the program. Again, I'm recording this April 24th, 2025, and we just made the major change. We're splitting that out, giving people an easier way to get on board if they're strapped for cash. Thanks.